Top areas and hotels to stay in Galveston. 1. Around the seawall. Traveling to Galveston for the first time? Around the seawall is a good place to start. The 10-mile-long Galveston seawall was built to protect the city from Gulf winds and has become a top tourist attraction in the area. 2. Downtown and Midtown. If you're looking for city fun, this is the best area for you. Explore the Post Office District's colorful storefronts, quirky boutiques, and vibrant local art scenes. 3. East End. The East End offers the best of Galveston, including easy ferry access to nearby islands, proximity to Pleasure Pier attractions, and beautiful East Beach. Explore its 19th century architectural styles and enjoy scenic sunset views. 4. West End. Looking for the perfect area to relax? West End is definitely for you. This area is less crowded, with easy beach access and golf cart rentals for exploring. It's home to Galveston Island State Park and Coastal Heritage Preserve, offering stunning biodiversity. For accommodation in any of these areas, head over to our blog article. We've made things easier for you by giving you the best options for every budget. Click the link in the description to find out more.